buddy. I'm a giraffe.
Don't you mean giraffe?
No, I'm a giraffe.
I'm pretty sure the correct term is giraffe.
There you go, trying to label me like everybody else, like all these other animals.
Oh my god, it's animals!
It's because I'm black, isn't it?
You're not black, you're covered in brown spots!
There you go, being prejudiced again. I'm offended, and just because I'm black doesn't give you the right to call me all these things.
I just called you your animal species. You don't need to get all mad.
You're right, maybe I overreacted.
Okay, we're getting somewhere at least.
K9?
Oh, that's it, you little bitch.
I am a fox. A very sexy fox. If you have a problem with that, go kill yourself. I don't care. That bunny girl tried to get to me, I gave her carrots and she's crazy. Foxy, what the hell did you do? What do you mean, what did I do? I stood my ground, and I made sure that I was the sexiest one in here. You knew that bunny had a problem, but you still gave her carrots. You know that she was just recovering. Sounds like somebody is beefing. Oh, please, I was having a good freaking dream, and then I hear this screaming about carrots. You ruined my good night's sleep. I need my beauty sleep. Beauty sleep? Girl, you're gonna need to sleep for 1,000 years if you wanna beat me. Beat you? Girl, what's competition? You ain't a problem. I swear to God, if you don't shut the fuck up, I'm gonna come up there and I will make you my dinner.
I hate my life.
Don't worry, you're not alone.
Really?
God hates your life too.
You know what, that's it. I'm gonna go commit suicide.
Oh no, why would you want to do that?
Because all dogs go to heaven, and I'm getting ready to go and kill your dad.
Oh shit, we're fucked. Abort mission! Abort mission! Why is it that every time I go to a woman, they ask me if I eat nuts first? Like, how do they know that's what I'm thinking about? I'm getting ready for my first date, and so I don't have a car yet, so I'm waiting for her out here with my shirt off. Mama loves that kind of stuff, so Mama, get ready for our